Scale model update on that 53 Chevy panel. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead model building. Been working on that 53 Chevy panel wagon that I'm doing. There's the body. I got chrome around the headlights, chrome around the trim. Got the back all done with a little bit of graphics there and chrome. Still got to put the logo up here. You won't see that till the car's done. Here's the hood. Got that done on there. And I got that decal done. Just drying it so I can add it. It's going to go on the underside of the hood. Got the interior put together. Getting the frame done. Got the exhaust done along with the fan belts. Got the interior door coverings done. There's the dash. You can see that. I'll take pictures and add pictures in here too. So working on the engine. I'm getting ready to put the wires on. That's where I'm at on this build. And just keep you updated as we go. But these ain't going to be very long videos for this build. But if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment. If you want to know how I do make my own decals, leave that in the comments, and I'll do a video on it and show you what I use, how I do it, and everything. You know, on a fine detailing, it does take some time and that, so we'll see how it actually turns out. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Alright, I'll catch you on the next update. Hope I might have it done. So, stay tuned for that. Don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos. It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them.